Y'all, today is my first day of cosmetology school. Like I said before, I was gonna be going to Aveda Institute in South Florida, and I am here. I got my glasses on because, you know, your girl can't see, she blind or whatever. But it's gonna be a little bit of a glare. Yeah, but let me bring y'all over here a little bit. Yeah, so your girl is at cosmetology school. Today is my first day. Sadly, I'm gonna be here from freaking 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. We're just doing like Camp Aveda or whatever it's called, and y'all, I'm high-key loving it so far, to be honest. Like, I have like, I think 13 people in my class, me included. My teacher is freaking amazing. It's just gonna be a really long day. So right now I'm doing like wellness, that's what they call it, wellness. And so I'll be taking my little break or whatever until 11 o'clock. Right now it's like almost 10:50. It's 10:44 right now. And yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. I'll be doing this today and I'll be doing it Wednesday. So it's just Camp Aveda where they're like showing us everything. And then come Friday, we're gonna get our kits for Kitmas. So that's our iPads, all our supplies, all the heads and everything. And obviously I'll be making a video for you for that, because I haven't really seen any videos about the kits that we get for this year. And so that's gonna be real interesting. The only sucky thing right now is that we have to wear all black, and being in South Florida, y'all already know it's hot as hell. So your girl is struggling. I'm literally freaking sweating, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, but I'm like super excited. I'm just gonna sit in my car until, you know, it is time. And then I think they said like around 1 or 2 o'clock or something like that, then we could do lunch. And I bought my own lunch. I meal prepped my lunch. So I'm gonna sit in my car and eat lunch too, you know what I mean? So I will see you guys later when something is actually happening. Nothing has really happened, and being the first day, like, I don't really feel comfortable recording in class yet, unless, like, you know, they tell us that we can. But yeah, so I will see you guys later. All right, what is up, y'all? I am back and it is lunchtime. So I made a bowl. I did spinach, broccoli, some green beans, and some salmon. That's what it looks like. Your girl is trying to be healthy or whatever, but not healthy enough, because I got me some watermelon soda, and I got a trail mix bar, just cause, why not, you know what I mean? So for lunch they gave us an hour and 15 minutes. An hour and 15 minutes. I didn't really need to heat up my food because it's been sitting in the hot car all day. So that's what I'm eating. I could say today it's gonna be one of those days that's just like only because we're just going over like all the products and the everything behind Aveda and all of that stuff. So it's not really anything interesting. Obviously everyone is getting to know each other. yeah, everyone is getting to know each other, so we're playing all these cute little games or whatever, and smelling certain scents and all this extra stuff. So it's not really much. I don't have much to show you guys. Kind of feel bad about it, but this is the first day, you know. I might end up making it like a week vlog instead of just today, because it is my first day and there's not much to show. So yeah, I'm gonna just eat my food or whatever. I have until 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna just eat my little meal. But I will catch you guys on the flip side. Yes, I am staying until 8, like I said. I just don't know what we're doing. Like, I don't know if we're just, you know, going through the presentation or whatever, or what the case may be. But that's it. Like, but I don't see how that's gonna take almost 12 hours to get through, you know what I mean? So it is what it is. I love the girls in my class. They're freaking awesome, to be honest. But yeah, I will see you guys later. What is up, y'all? What is up? Today is Friday. Today we get our kits for cosmetology school. I haven't left the house yet. That's what I'm about to do, like right now. I was just waiting for a little bit because I know traffic about to be like real hectic. So I still got a good hour and some change in front of me. So I'm about to hit the road, about to head to school. I skipped Wednesday, updating you guys on Wednesday, because Wednesday was pretty much like Monday, and I figured, you know, what's the point of saying the same things over and over again? So like I said, Monday, I probably won't be recording all that much in class as of yet, because like I said, I don't really know the girls like that. I don't know, you know, what my professor or teacher would prefer, or instructor would prefer. So when I get home, I will be making a separate video showing you guys everything that's in the 2022 Aveda Institute Cosmetology kit. And yeah, that'll be pretty much it. I will try to update you guys along the way today, because today we're actually gonna be using our mannequin heads like we were told. So stay tuned for that. I'll try to record if I can. If not, I'll try to sneak in some clips here and there, probably from my phone. So obviously the quality is going to be going back and forth. So yeah, I'm about to get my day started. I already had breakfast and everything, so I'm really just ready to go. All right, so I will see you guys later. Hey guys, I am back. I just finished eating my lunch. I'm gonna show y'all some clips here and there, because today is literally, like I told y'all that this morning, like it's about to be mad exciting. We started our day a little like off schedule and stuff like that today, but it is what it is. Yeah, so we're gonna get started on our mannequin heads. We got our kits, we got our iPads. So now look at your girl out here collecting iPads and shit. But yeah, so I got my iPad, I got my kit. There's a lot of stuff in the kit, by the way. And also we're gonna start working on our mannequins. Today we're just doing like a shampoo and prep drying or something like that. Like, that's what it was called. And I guess after that we're gonna end up flat ironing our dolls' heads. But that's it, really. That's honestly really it. That's all we're doing today. Today wasn't too crazy. I took some clips and stuff like that to show you guys. what the room was looking like, what we were doing at the time and stuff like that. So I'll be like inserting little videos here and there just to show you what my classroom looks like, and like the stuff that we're doing for the day. Obviously today is my last day in the week because I only have the Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule, and so this would probably honestly be like the end of this vlog for my first week in cosmetology school. Side note, I have been enrolled in the 1200 program, but in order for me to practice in the state of Tennessee, I need 1500 hours. So what that means is that I will have to change at some point. I'm gonna change the 1500 program, and so instead of finishing in June like I wanted to, I'll probably end up finishing in July, because I think June is the 10 months, and then is up to June is the 10 months, and then if you're doing the 1500, then it's to July, like middle of July or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do, because after Miami, I am definitely thinking about moving to Tennessee, and then opening a salon over there. So pray for your girl. It's about to be one hell of a ride, but I think it's gonna go by fast. Like, this week was pretty slow, obviously, because it was just like the, you know, orientation and all that stuff. So pray for your girl. Just know I'm doing what I have to do, you know what I mean? So I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys have any questions you want to ask about, you know, what I'm doing, why, and stuff like that, or even the process of getting into cosmetology school, or even choosing what cosmetology school you want to go to, just drop everything down in the comment section. Like, I want to see everything. I want to see all your questions, all your comments, because I love reading it, and I honestly love replying to it, which is why I reply so fast sometimes. But, you know, I just want to create, you know, a connection with you guys. So let me know down below what you guys think, or even what you want to see from me being in cosmetology school, because obviously, you know, every week is going to be different. So bear with me. I think because we're starting to actually work on mannequins and stuff like that, I think I actually will start recording in class. So stay tuned for that. I will see you guys later. Bye. I love it.